Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into YAML schema and validation, providing a comprehensive tutorial with code examples. This will cover the fundamentals, advanced concepts, and different tools you can use to ensure your YAML files are structured correctly and contain valid data. What is YAML schema and validation? YAML YAML, YAML ain't markup language, is a human-readable data serialization format. It's widely used for configuration files, data storage, and inter-process communication due to its clean syntax and easy-to-parse structure. YAML schema A YAML schema defines the expected structure and data types within a YAML file. It's like a blueprint for your YAML data, specifying what fields are allowed, their types, example string, integer, boolean, list, map, and potentially constraints, example required fields, allowed values. YAML validation validation is the process of checking whether a given YAML file conforms to a specific YAML schema. If the YAML file violates the schema, the validation process reports errors, helping you identify and fix inconsistencies or incorrect data. Why use YAML schemas and validation? Data integrity ensure that your YAML files contain valid and consistent data. Error prevention catch errors early in the development life cycle, preventing problems that might arise from misconfigured or malformed data. Documentation a schema serves as living documentation, clearly outlining the expected structure of your YAML data. Collaboration standardize YAML structures across teams, improving consistency and collaboration. Automated configuration enable automated processing and configuration of systems based on validated YAML data. Tools and libraries for YAML schema validation. Several libraries and tools can be used for YAML schema validation, each with its own approach and features. Here are some popular options. 1. JSON schema * a Python library that leverages JSON schema to validate YAML. JSON schema is a well-established standard for describing the structure and data types of JSON data, and JSON schema makes it easy to apply these schemas to YAML. Despite the name, it can validate YAML. 2. Cerberus * another Python library for data validation. It's more general purpose than JSON schema but can be effectively used for validating YAML data based on defined schemas. 3. Colander * a Python library for data validation and deserialization/serialization. It uses declarative schemas and provides more control over the validation process. 4. Ansible validate module * if you're using Ansible for infrastructure automation, its built-in validate module allows you to perform schema validation using YAML/JSON schemas directly within your Ansible playbooks. 5. YQ YAML processor. YQ is a command-line YAML processor that can be used for validation. It often supports JSON schema validation. Let's focus on using JSON schema, as it's a common and powerful choice for YAML schema validation. Example, validating YAML with JSON schema. 1. Install JSON schema ***. 2. Create a YAML file, config.yaml. 3. Create a JSON schema file, config_schema.json. 4. Python validation script, validate.py. Explanation ***. Import YAML, import JSON, from JSON schema import validation error * import the necessary libraries. YAML to load the YAML file, JSON to load the JSON schema, and JSON schema for validation. Asterisk validate _YAML, YAML _file, schema _file, asterisk this function handles the validation process. Asterisk it reads the YAML file using YAML.safe_load. Safe_load is generally recommended over load to prevent potential code execution vulnerabilities. Asterisk it reads the JSON schema file using JSON.load. Asterisk it calls validate, instance equals YAML_data, schema equals schema_data, to perform the validation. Asterisk it catches potential exceptions. Asterisk file not found error, if the YAML or schema file is not found. Asterisk YAML.YAML error, if there's a syntax error in the YAML file. Asterisk JSON.JSON decode error, if there's a syntax error in the JSON schema file. Asterisk validation error, if the YAML data doesn't conform to the schema. Asterisk exception, catches any other unexpected errors. Asterisk if validation is successful, it prints a success message. If validation fails, it prints an error message and the details of the validation error. Asterisk if __name _equals _main ___ asterisk this is the main entry point of the script. It sets the paths to the YAML and schema files and calls the validate_YAML function. 5. Run the validation ***. If the config.yaml file is valid according to the config_schema.json schema, you'll see the message demonstrating validation errors. Let's introduce some errors in the config.yaml file to see how the validation works. Error 1, invalid version format change the version field in config.yaml to 1.2, instead of 1.2.3. Error 2, missing required field remove the email field from the authors section in config.yaml. Error 3, invalid port number change the port field in the database section to 70,000, which is outside the valid range. Run python validate.py again. You'll see detailed error messages like this, example for the version error. The error message tells you exactly which field failed validation, what the expected format was, and the value that caused the error. This helps you quickly identify and fix the problem in your YAML file. Key JSON schema concepts used $schema specifies the JSON schema version being used. Title and description provide human-readable information about the schema. Type specifies the data type, example object, string, integer, array, boolean. Properties defines the fields allowed within an object, map. Required lists the fields that are mandatory within an object. Pattern specifies a regular expression that a string value must match. Format specifies a predefined format for a string value, example email. Minimum and maximum specifies the minimum and maximum allowed values for an integer. Items specifies the schema for elements within an array. Advanced schema features. JSON schema offers many more advanced features. Enum restricts a value to a specific set of allowed values. One of, any of, all of, not combine multiple schemas using logical operators. Dependencies specify that the presence of one property depends on the presence of another. $ref reuse schema definitions by referencing them from other parts of the schema or from external schema files. This is useful for creating modular and reusable schemas. Custom validation JSON schema allows you to define custom validation functions to implement more complex validation logic. Example of using $ref. Let's modify our example to use $ref to define an address schema and reuse it for shipping and billing addresses. 1. Update config_schema.json***. 2. Update config.yaml***. Now, the contact section contains shipping_address and billing_address, both referencing the reusable address schema defined in the definitions section. The zip field now uses a regular expression pattern to validate US zip codes. Best practices. Start simple. Begin with a basic schema that covers the essential fields and data types. Gradually add more constraints and validation rules as needed. Document your schema. Use the title and description fields to provide clear explanations of the schema and its purpose. This makes it easier for others, and your future self, to understand and maintain the schema. Test your schema. Write unit tests to verify that your schema correctly validates valid and invalid YAML files. Reuse schemas. If you have common data structures, define them once and reuse them throughout your schema using $ref. Use semantic versioning for schemas. Treat your schema like code and use semantic versioning, example 1.0.0, 1.1.0, 2.0.0, to track changes. This helps ensure that schema updates are applied in a backward compatible manner, minimizing disruption to existing systems. Consider schema evolution. Plan for how your schema will evolve over time. Will you be adding new fields, changing data types, or introducing new constraints? Think about how to manage schema changes in a way that minimizes disruption to existing systems that rely on the schema. Conclusion. YAML schema and validation are essential for ensuring the quality and consistency of your YAML data. By using tools like JSON schema and leveraging the power of JSON schema, you can create robust and reliable configurations, prevent errors, and improve collaboration across your team. Remember to start simple, document your schema, test thoroughly, and plan for schema evolution. Remember to install PyML to enable YAML loading.